CleverFox Magnetic Meal Planner is a convenient and easy-to-use tool for planning your weekly meals all year round. This planning pad comes in a large format and measures 7 by 10 inches, providing plenty of writing space to plan your meals. You can choose the layout that best fits your style with multiple color options. The pages are made of thick 120 GSM paper that is bleed and smudge resistant, so you can write comfortably using your favorite writing utensils. Using 2 strong magnets at the back, you can easily attach your meal planner to your fridge door with no risk of it falling off. Each page features a meal planning section to plan your menu from Monday to Sunday and a tear-off shopping list. Once you've planned your meals for the week, add everything you need to buy to the list and take it with you the next time you buy groceries. This way, you can ensure you forget nothing and have all the ingredients needed to prepare tasty, nutritious meals for you and your loved ones. CleverFox Planner. Stay organized. Stay clever.